Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for data descriptive for the group data. The time taken for the 70 students to walk from the hostels to the class in a certain college will show in the following table. So on the left hand side we have the interval. So here we have the x. So sum up the situation, we have 4 and the 2, then divide by the 2. Then we have the 6 over 2 where we have the 3. Then followed by the situation, 7 plus with the 5 we have the 12, and then divide by 2 we have the 6. Then followed by, we have the situation 9, and then 12, and then 15, and then we have the 18. So the number of students represent the small letter f or the frequency. Then we have to find out the capital F, which is the cumulative frequency. Then we have the 5, 14, 33, 54, 66, and then 70. So kindly refers to the questions. We have the A, find the mean and the mode. B, we have the 40 percentile, standard deviation, the Pearson coefficient of the skewness. So meaning that what we have to do is to find the fx. So kindly refers to the calculator. So we total up, we have 744. Next is to find the fx squared. By referring to the calculator, then we have the summation, so 8928. So let's begin. Find the mean. So 744 over the 70. So the mean is equal to 10.63. Round up the situation up to 3 significant figure. So we have 10.6. Next is to find the mode. So mode we have the highest frequency. So for this case, this is the class for the highest frequency, 11 until 13. So we have the formula, lower boundary, plus we have the first difference over the first difference plus with the second difference, multiply with the class size. So we have the lower boundary, which is 10.5, plus we have the first difference. So kindly refers to the numbers of the students or the frequency. We have the 21 minus the 19. So here we have the 2 over 2 plus. The second difference would be the 21 minus the 12. So we have the 9. Then multiply with the class size. So here we have the 13.5 minus the 10.5. So we have 10.5 plus bracket. We have 2 over 11 multiply with the 3. So the mode will be equals to 11.05. Round up to the 3 significant figure. So we have 11.1. Next is to find the 40 percentile, P40. So by referring to the situation, we have 40 over 100 multiply with the 70. So the terms would be the 28 terms. So where is the location for the 28? So kindly refers to the cumulative frequency, and we notice that this will be the class for the P40. So the formula would be lower boundary plus we have 40 over 100 multiply with the n. Then minus capital F or the cumulative frequency k minus 1. So means that the class before over the small letter f k, meaning that the frequency multiply with the class size. So refers to the class. So we have 7.5 is the lower boundary, and then plus we have the 28 minus refers to the situation, the class before, which is the 14 over the class in here where we have the 19. Then the class size is the same, where we have 10.5 minus 7.5. So we have the 3. So the P40, where we have 9.710526. If we round up the situation, so the P40, where we have 9.71 up to 3 significant figure. Next, find the C. We have the standard deviation. So sigma, which is equals to square root of. So we have 8928 minus bracket 744 bracket square over, we have the 70 over the 69. So the standard deviation would be square root of 14.788. So the standard deviation would be 3.85. Next, calculate the Pearson coefficient of the skewness. So where we have the SK equals to we have mean minus the mode over the standard deviation. So the value of SK would be 10.6 minus 11.1 over, we have the standard deviation where we have 3.85. So the value of SK would be negative 0.109. So we can say skew to the left, or we can say negatively skew.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.